Alright guys, welcome to another episode of PATTAY'S Performance. This is part 2 of the 125 Craigslist job lot. Honda Powered Personal Pace Self-Propelled Lawnboy Lawnmower. Has the multi-plug and I got the bag for it too. This thing does not start. He said he ran it dry, but when I opened up the gas, you can see that there's a little bit left. I tried putting fresh gas in there and it still doesn't start. So the only way is if I hit some starting fluid. So that means easy peasy, we'll clean the carburetor. Choke lever back. Fire in the hole. So when that happens, basically the starting fluid burns off in the cylinder, in the combustion chamber. And then once that expires, it dies out because it's not getting any more fuel flow. So we're going to clean this carburetor and get this puppy going. Buddy, you can do this. How do I know the auto choke is working? There's a butterfly in here that opens and closes as we choke it out. So let's see what's going on here. 10 millimeter. Let's drop this thing. Let's see what's going on. Now what sucks about this is that, like I said, see how the whole carburetor assembly comes out? See that? Now since we have this apart, we might as well just take out the whole carburetor and clean it. Alright, let's turn off the fuel flow. Pull this out. These two springs out. And we're going to clean this carburetor. Alright, carburetor bowl out. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Like I said, we were trying to keep before. Let's see, we got good fuel flow. Gas out, which is fine. Okay, enough here. Bowl here. Let's pull out this needle. Let's pull out the float bowl in the seat. We know we have good fuel flow. Let's expose what we have here. Flat blade screwdriver. Right down the hatch. Even though we know we poked a hole in here, let's just double check because we have it this far. Why not? I was trying to avoid this, but it is what it is. Now if your jet doesn't come out easy, you're gonna have to try real hard to try and clean it without using the method that I just showed you. You see here, this is what we were doing with the wire. And then, for shits and giggles, we'll just spray it down the hatch. I don't know if you guys... See if we can get fuel flow. See how it sprays right out? Perfecto. Okay? And the same thing down this hole too. Got some compressed air. Alright, some compressed air. Let's just blow out the jet real quick. Fuel flow. Give the float a shake. You know, the float has nothing on it. Let's just clean this gook off the float. We'll do that when we put this back together. Alright. Now let's spray this. Actually, I already sprayed that. Let's put some compressed air through that, and we can actually go through the carburetor now. Cover this hole here on the side. Okay. Now, importante. You see this? This is your needle, float needle. See how this has the rubber tip? There is no gasket in here. So that means you can blow compressed air without trying to blow the seal. So let's do that. Yep. Okay, let's go down here. Can we reach down there? No. Alright, now the other thing is your low idle circuit. Let's take that out. Have our own screwdriver. Where did I put the right screwdriver? I didn't bring it with me. Let me go get it. Alright, Phillips number 2. Just take that out. I don't know if you guys could see the little jet in there. Yeah, we're good. We definitely got fuel flow. Can spray that down. We definitely got flow through there. Compressed air. Any other holes that we're missing? That's towards the engine. No, these two in there. Stick this in here. Alright, let's put that back in there. We are good to go. Oh, jet back in. Do not strip this when you put this in. Do not. That's it, nice and snug. Let's just spray it a little bit. We're good. Okay. Needle and seat. Like so. In there. Come on. Come on. You were so easy going in and coming out. Okay. Here. Just remember fuel flow. So then this way is here. Here's our gasket. Number 36. Alright, back in she goes. Alright, so let's talk about auto choke. Not auto choke, this manual choke that goes on its own. Well, it's not, whatever. This lever goes back, right? Hold the carburetor down, and you see how it closes the butterfly? That's choke. When you release the handle and pull, as it runs, it slowly, see that? It releases. Let's do that again. Give it some help. You see how, okay, it's getting caught on this housing. Alright, let's hammer this down. Let's tighten this down and let's go from there. That's why we always do it, because you see there's 3 layers. You have your gaskets and this. So this is why I kind of dislike overly complicated for no apparent reason. As far as simplicity of working on machines, Briggs has the market. Because these Hondas, believe it or not, have a timing belt in it. To me, overly complicated. Not necessary. So let's get these started. And then we'll just have to work our way through. Where's my ratchet? Gotta tighten this mother down. Alright, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Alright, now let's check the choke. Alright, it's not hitting. So we are clear. The last bolt. Alright, let's put this fuel line in. Stupid hoe. Go in. Excuse me. Alright, we're in. Fuel open. So much for an easy flip. Alright, we got fuel flow. Let's hold the handle. It releases. And the choke opens. Wonderful. Alright. Please. Alright, that's a good thing. Alright, so this thing's a little smoky, which is fine. I am going to let it run for a little bit, which will heat up the oil, because we're going to service this thing. You guys have seen me service Hondas before, so it's nothing special. I'm not going to walk you through that. I will just take pictures of the finished product. The air filter's in great shape, so I'm not even going to need to replace that. But we are going to change the oil. Hondas take 10W30 compared to 30 weight. So, yeah, sharpen the blade, the whole line. So, yeah, man. Oh, you know what? Let's put the bag on this, because we're going to power wash. We're going to just throw the bag on there, even though no, we can't. All right, mulch plug out. Bag in. I won't start without one of these, which is pretty cool. Choke. Yeah, so we're going to paint this up. This shit's got to go. This is screwy, so I'm going to cut this off. But, all right. Machine number 2 down. I don't know, I'm going to aim for 300 because this has a lot of traits compared to the Super Recycler. The bagging system, the mulch plug. So I'm going to try and label it as something like that. It's got a Honda on it too. 250, 300, we'll see. Alright guys, if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance, which will be part 3 of the Tecumseh Powered Leaf Vac. Remember, $125 for all this stuff. Alright? Deuces.